Alright, what's up everybody? So we are here on a job. We're going to take you along kind of a little bit vlog style, not really tutorial style. We're just going to basically take you along as we try to get this job done today. So we've got a tub and tile that we're going to be doing. I'm going to get started working on this, doing the acid wash. And Braden's going to get started over here. He's going to start cleaning, prepping this tub and tile, and then we've also got just this shower pan that we're going to be working on as well. So we're going to take care of this, and there's another shower pan like this downstairs, which we'll show you guys in a little bit later. Cleaning up pretty good. Getting this cleaned up, you guys, before I'm gonna go. Once I'm done over there, I'm gonna come over here and acid wash this tile as well. So it's almost like a cleaning before the cleaning. Awesome. So we got a lot of the dust and dirt off of it just with basic water and scrubbing pad. Braden's just kind of drying it up, cleaning it up, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the acid around here. Then we're not gonna be acid washing this bathtub because it's fiberglass. So we do not acid wash fiberglass, just the ceramic tile. So now I'm going to go ahead and start rinsing this off, and I like to use just water with the scrubbing pad, just kind of get everything, make sure the etch is completely covered, and kind of rinse it. Then I'll take water and rinse it back over, and then once that's all dry, I'll go ahead and start acid washing the tub. I did the tub last because I have to stand in it, as you could see. Alright you guys, so this is the acid wash test. So Braden's going to take the paper towel and just kind of wipe it and let me know how it feels. Do you notice the difference?
Really rough.
Real rough, like it catches, huh?
Yeah, it catches it.
So I acid washed right here in this corner, but I didn't acid wash the tub yet. So right here, so go right here, smooth, and then let's see where it starts the acid wash.
Right here?
Yeah.
Right there.
Do you feel it?
Yep, right there.
So that's what the acid does, and it helps it grab. So that's what we're doing to this whole tub and tile. So we got that all acid washed right now, or the acid's sitting on it for about 10 to 12 minutes. All right, we're gonna go over to the other bathroom and rinse off the bathtub. Braden already started cleaning up the other shower pan. So that's gonna get ready for sanding soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off this acid right now. Boom, getting this all taped and masked off. Braiding like a taping pro. Look at that, boom. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on taping it off. It's all acid washed, dried. I put some caulking in some areas just because I use it as kind of like a backing. When I'm done reglazing everything, I always put caulking over the glaze in all of the corners or anywhere that there was tape. So that will be done later. Here we go, this is basically all cleaned up, dried, acid washed. Now I'm gonna start taping it off. Boom, I'm starting to mask off with blue tape, you guys, all around the perimeter. It's looking good, making progress. Let's go check out Braden's job, make sure he's doing everything okay. Guys, it's nice when you have a vacant home that you can work in, kind of jump from bathroom to bathroom, just kind of lets the flow go. Here we are getting taped and masked off. I'm gonna do the fixtures in a little bit. We are gonna do a real light sand. That's why we're not putting the paper up yet, because we're gonna get dust on that. But we just like to kind of just keep things flowing. But we're gonna get started on just doing a light sand here. And then over here, we still have to do, we'll probably run the sander on here. This cleaned up pretty well, actually. And we're gonna go ahead and start taping and masking this bad boy off. And then keep going. All right, we got this bathroom all taped up. Braden's gonna come in here and just start masking it off while I go and work on the other bathroom. Alright you guys, so we've got this pretty much masked off right here, and I'm going to take some lacquer thinner and just wipe down all the tile just to kind of extra clean it up before we put on adhesion promoter and then primer and then 2 to 3 coats of the top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and prep, you guys. Prep is the most important part of pretty much any job. Got this all masked off. We're going to go ahead and wipe this down too with some lacquer thinner. Just kind of clean it out. Alright, so we're just finishing masking up that shower pan. We're going to clean up this area here. We're going to tarp right there. And then we're going to get ready to start primering. Braden will probably start prepping downstairs the other shower pan. And then I'm going to get ready to start mixing up and get ready to primer everything. Alright you guys, so this is the last shower pan. We're gonna get this all cleaned up and prepped, and then we're gonna blast through and start primering everything all at once, and then start cleaning up and then do the final coat. All right, I've got my little mixing station over here. So I'm mixing up the primer right now. Gonna go ahead and mix this up, and then I always filter my primer through a cone strainer, just because even though it's a fresh batch, I still like to just strain it. So we're gonna go ahead, and this was the epoxy primer from Resurface Solutions. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, just mixing it up. I've got 12 ounces of the white and 12 ounces of the catalyst. So I've got 24 ounces mixed. Gonna go ahead and get this sprayed on. Alright, you guys, just got done spraying this. That's one. Boom. I'm over at the other one right now spraying primer. Always got your hose, primer. Ooh. On here, primer. So if you guys want to see more of a step-by-step process with the spraying, then make sure to check out some of our other videos. Like I said, today is just more of a vlog style, just kind of taking you along with us. But if you want to see more depth of the process, make sure to check out some of our other videos. Cleared off the paper. Gonna clean this up right now. All done. All done here. Check the other one.
What's up, guys? So we are back. That took 9 hours. Boom, dead. You guys, so that was a $1,500 day. And so comment down below and let us know if there's anything else that you guys would like to see. If you want to see some more of these vlog types mixed in with the step-by-step tutorials. But remember, if you want to see a lot of the spraying, step-by-step explained, make sure to check out some of the other videos. But that's it. We'll see you guys next time.